I had the pleasure of attending CLEO's ASAP workshop at American University July 7th through 8th, and I had a phenomenal experience. The presenters were so engaging. It was so well organized. Everything just flowed very seamlessly. There were opportunities for networking. Many of the presenters were deans of students at the various universities in the area. Very helpful people to know. This is a really tough question, but I would say that my favorite presentation or favorite part of the day was the presentation on the LSAT. The LSAT is definitely something that I really struggle with, and the presenter helped to demystify it. He helped to make it more relatable, and honestly, he helped to make it more fun. That was the most fun I had talking about the LSAT in the almost 2 years that I've been studying for it. After the fact, so the presenter actually had an LSAT tutoring company and he offered free sample sessions. And so I was able to get one of those sessions and I improved my logic game score by 5 points just with that session alone. And he offered a discount to all ASAP attendees. So that's definitely an incentive to want to go. But I would say all in all, the it's just worth it. The workshop is just worth it. It's a very valuable experience. So if you're looking for a workshop to add on to your list of workshops to attend to really help fortify your application, to help network with deans of students at various universities and really help figure out where you want to go, I would say this is your workshop. I would definitely encourage anyone who is interested to attend.